time you're gonna run through it.
Yeah.
Alright, there it goes. Off to a new home. Been a great journey, but this guy seems like he's gonna have a good time with it and pick up where I left off. So that's it, folks. Thanks for watching, eh? Thanks for coming along for the journey. Well, folks, this really is it. The Microburst is gone. I made the decision a while back to sell it, and I put it up on Kijiji, and within about 3 days I had a serious offer come in. So yeah, it's off to its new home, and I'm really hopeful that the new owner is going to breathe some new life into this machine and have just kind of finish off from where I left it, get this thing back up and running. But yeah, it's gone. I didn't think this day would come, to be honest. I didn't think I was ever going to let this thing go. I put, well, you guys saw how much time I put into this thing, and you know, it just came to the point though where I just had to start putting too much time into it after every run. And you know, the motor needed a rebuild, needed you know, the valve seats needed to be resealed, and you know, I just thought, you know, once I pulled the pistons out, you know, if the thing needed pistons and rings, you know, there's just a lot of work there, and the chain box was a lot of work too, and I just couldn't bring myself to putting any more time into this. I got other things going on in life, and I just want to be able to have a machine that I can just jump in and ride. All right, so we still have the Razor with us. So wife and I, we've just been going out on trips and that. We just take turns driving. And you know, it's actually kind of fun to be a passenger once in a while. You get to look at a lot of scenery that you really wouldn't have a chance to if you were driving. So it's actually a lot more enjoyable than I thought it was. So we're kind of figuring out what we're going to do next. We're thinking about maybe selling this thing and getting a 4-seater so we can take the kids back out with us again. We've also kicked around the idea of maybe buying another unit. We're not too sure what's going on right now. Nobody has any stock, so it's kind of hard to go and take a look at machines and figure out what we want. Anyway, I'm going to do a little flashback of some of my favorite moments here, so hope you guys enjoy this. You know, I really had a lot of fun with this machine. You know, looking back, we got out on a lot of nice rides, met a lot of good folks. It was really fun building this. This was a challenge for me. This was the most complicated thing I'd ever taken on and built. And I'm really proud of how it ended up. I really wish I could have saw it through to where it was factory reliable, but it's just really hard. I just don't have the time for that kind of stuff anymore. Anyway, I want to thank everybody that's followed along with this build journey, everybody who's dropped a comment of support. Thanks so much, guys. It's really been a fun journey. So I hope you guys stick along for the channel. I'm always going to have more stuff going on here, whether it's be the Challenger now that it has some time, or all the other types of videos that I do. I'm getting very involved with the snowmobile racing. So yeah, hope you guys stick around for more content, and we'll see you next time, folks.